guys, and welcome back to Salty Tales.
Welcome back, and Miss Ninja is back in the house.
Look who's back.
Yay!
Miss Ninja and the other Ninja is back too. So I know you guys have been asking for it, and we say that we won't stop doing it. So here we are, guys. And today we have a
very simple, quick, and fun recipe. It's called Pan de Bono.
Pan de Bono, guys. That's one of the most delicious things you can eat in pretty much all South America.
Yes.
Everybody has a different name for it, but it's delicious. And I really want you guys to learn that, because that's like the tip of the iceberg for an awesome dinner.
And a quick for everybody. I would call it like a Sunday quick dinner. What do you think?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
There we go. So let's make it happen.
Jorgito's back there getting impatient already, so let's go for it.
Let's go. Well, guys, as usual, let's go ahead and preheat our Ninja. But let me tell you something. If you don't have a Ninja, don't worry about it. You can use your oven. So follow me and let's heat it up. We'll turn it on. Bake and roast. Gonna shut down the lid. 400 and start. So let's see you back in 5 minutes. Oh yeah, let me go get my wedding ring. I'll be right back. I went and got my wedding ring. You see that? Now for this quick, simple, fun recipe, all we need is 3 ingredients. Can you believe that? And we're gonna use 5 ounces of cassava flour, which is tapioca, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, queso blanco, white cheese, which is delicious, and we're gonna incorporate everything. All we're gonna do is pour our cassava flour or tapioca, incorporate our butter, pour our cheese, and we're gonna add up a little bit of water. Let me see out of these measurements, which would it be the exactly amount we need, because you need the consistency of a very thick paste in order to make your beautiful pan de bono. So let me get the water real quick. And we're just gonna start adding little by little to get the perfect consistency that we're looking for. So let's try this little much or this little bit. Mix, 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 mix. Let's add up a little bit more. There we go, just a little bit. There we go. You see how it's changing the consistency? Let me bring it a little bit closer and look at it. And just keep mixing and just keep adding little by little your water. There we go. Let me show you exactly what is it that we're looking for when it comes to the consistency. Just grab a little bit with your hands. See how it just like drips? And you can form little balls like this. And your hands, they have to be totally clean. Look at my hands. And you see how it just like drips down like bloop. That's a perfect consistency. So let's go ahead and get this done. And by the way, you can use any type of cheese you want. You can add up mozzarella. I'm gonna give you a little tweak also. I'm gonna add some pepper jack for that little spicy in it. So let's go ahead and get them ready. Okay guys, since I told you that I'm gonna tweak this recipe a little bit, I'm gonna use half of this. And here's the pepper jack cheese. Since me and Ninja, we love spicy foods, don't we, honey? Yeah. I'm gonna put a little bit of the pepper jack to give him that little twist and that little spicy on it. There you go. Just a little bit. And just smash it. Look at the colors in it. Look at the pepper, the red peppers. And that's it. Let's get ready to bake them. Hey guys, Ninja has been preheated. We just need to pour a little bit of oil get a brush and brush the bottom of it. Dun, 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 dun. Put it in your hand, just like that. I got a fork, but you can get a spoon. Just roll them a little bit. Put them at the bottom of the Ninja. Shut it closed. And we're gonna do it for 8 minutes. The Ninja was preheated, so now we're gonna set up our time. Bacon roast, 400 Fahrenheit, 8 minutes, and start. Okay guys, so we'll see you back in 8 minutes.
I know you were asking for the Ninja to come back, and what a way to come back, guys. The smell in this kitchen is amazing.
Right?
I mean, it's like you tasted already, but you haven't. It's crazy good.
And this was a quick, simple, and fun, and it was a Scooby-Doo Papa! Listen to Scooby-Doo.
All right, so I think all we have left here is to give it a good try.
Yes, but before that, I'm back, guys. And I mean, I was so busy last week, and it was unbelievable, right, honey?
Yeah, it was a busy week.
I had competitions with my daughter. I had her quince. I cooked for 80 people, did all the favors, and right after that, the quince, we have to catch an airplane to go to New York to YouTube space.
Awesome.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
I mean, we found real awesome people there. Real people that really care.
Yes.
And it was an amazing, amazing experience.
Incredible.
We learned a lot. We get to meet really good people. We get to make some good friends. And man, I wish I can go back again.
Me too. And you know what? Thank you to you guys. Thank you to all of you. That's why we were there.
I mean, it was an awesome experience, and everything happened because of you guys. So we want to thank you a lot for it.
Yes.
You have the history of the Pan de Bono, right?
Yes. We have the history of the Pan de Bono, and it's awesome.
All right.
But before we even started, I know Pan de Bono, a lot of people is going to say, oh, they're supposed to be super round. Guess what? Do it in your oven, 400 degrees, and it will come perfectly round. We did it on the Ninja. It slide a little bit to the side, but guess what? The flavor is the same. And the reason why they call them Pan de Bono, it's because an Italian guy in Colombia, because the pan de Bono, they eat it in Colombia, in Brazil, and Paraguay. He used to sell this bread over there, and Bono in Italian means bueno, good. So he couldn't say bueno, so he used to sell, imagine the guy, Pan de Bono, trying to say bueno. So that's where it came from. Look at this. The one with the spicy flavor, because of the cheese that I use, it spread it out. But guess what? Now you can see the difference.
That's the one that I really want to try first.
Me too.
Mm-hmm.
I want to try the spicy one. And look at the regular one. It's almost round. So let's give it a try. Let's go.
Yes.
Let's see. Oh, and we got pastrami, and we got pork here, and more cheese, and avocado. What an awesome, simple dinner, right?
That's awesome.
It is just,
it took,
I want to try it by itself.
How long it took?
Look at this. 8 minutes. Mm-mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. This is really good.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm. I love it. That kick of the spiciness.
Wow.
Super good.
It is delicious, brother.
Yes, it's super delicious.
It's awesome. It tastes really good. And I mean, this is something that really top notch. Whatever dinner you're making at home or whatever, because this thing is amazing, and you can eat it like this as That's like if it was a sandwich.
You can have it for snacks. You can have it for breakfast with a cup of coffee. That's amazing. And you know how much I spent on this, honey? And we're gonna put it on the description box. All the details for the recipe. It was only $2.89. And if you go to a bakery here in Florida and get a Pan de Bono, each one is $2.
By the way, we're coming with a new season of how to make dinner in a budget.
Yes.
We haven't set the budget yet, but it's going to be really low. I think you guys are going to like it because it's going to be real good dinners and a budget.
Of course, family friendly, right?
I think you guys are going to love it. So, and this one, guys, you have to give it a try. It's delicious. It's really easy to do. It's not complicated. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look how flaky that thing is. Oh my God.
By the way, you guys know what is yuca, cassava, tapioca? Those are the three different names. If not, we're going to put a picture out here to show you what's a yuca. And I know a lot of people knows out there. But
that's something that might be a little bit difficult for people to find in the north.
I think
but
the
there have
flour,
to be some Latin supermarket that does that. So okay, guys, that's pretty much all for today. I hope you like the Ninja coming back with this awesome recipe. I hope you like Miss Ninja coming back too, because I'm really excited that she's back.
No, honey.
And we're planning to bring a lot of videos. We're coming with new seasons and new stuff going on. So keep tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please do it. And don't forget to hit that bell so you can. And if you have any comment or anything to say, any question, any idea, anything that you want to share with us, please put it down there in the comments.
Yes.
We read all the comments. We answer all the comments.
Yes, we do.
So I think we'll see you next week. Love you.
Bye, guys. We love you.